winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Swapping our cups, and after a while we're swapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than started a year with a drop of romance. 'Cause I came to this place looking for a familiar face, and that's when I met you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the first of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. A cappuccino is what matters me. The way you came toward me, dragging your feet, and I just smiled at you.
First realize what have you done, and you finally get
you tap, repeat, and revenge is served on a cold plate, and you hear the roar of the shutdown when the world will stop without a sound. And the moment you will cry for help, and we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah. But I know for sure that day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. Oh yeah, on a cold plate, on a cold plate, on a cold plate. Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I'm nothing around and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only stole me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from gloom. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from the lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you. But we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love. Lost in the art of a foreign nation, in a shop to escape the rain, not to have a conversation. And that's the moment you step in to find some shelter too. Don't get a word you're saying back, girl. Her eyes are red and new, 'cause I don't know what your lips are saying. Don't get a word, but it's the most beautiful thing I've just a small hello, so that we can say it doesn't sound like much, but it's enough to make me stay. It's just a small hello, but more than 1,000 words, 'cause it's a small hello that made my world flip and turn. And then the rain was speaking still, it started pouring. We just ignored the flood and laughed at the thunder roaring, 'cause the drumming of the rain cannot compare with 2 heartbeats speeding like a train at 3,000 feet and 'cause I